Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, today I am in beautiful Singapore. And what's the first thing you do when you come to Singapore? You dive on into McDonald's and try one of their new products. And today's new product is Sweet Chilli Fish Burger. Woo-wee! That sounds good. Can't wait to give it a go. So let's go in and get one, try it, see how big it is, see what's inside it, give it a score out of 10. Let's go. Alrighty, can't wait. On number 189. Righty, well here we go. Oh, Sweet Chilli Fish Burger. Let's take a look. Alright, well, weight-wise, it's pretty light. There's not much weight to that. It's very light indeed. Let's take a look. What the whoopity-doo? So this burger is $5.70 here in Singapore. Let's see what it's got inside. So we got the bun. We got like some coleslaw-y stuff and some sort of sauce. What sauce is this? Oh, that's the sweet chili sauce. Not overly spicy, but nice and sweet and pretty nice. So we got the bun, the coleslaw and the sauce. We got some lettuce here. And we got a little piece of fish. That's how big it is. It's not that big. Oh boy, that feels hard. Oh, and there's some more sauce underneath. Okay, let's try some of this fish. Crunchy. Tastes like chicken. It actually tastes like the fish that I had when I went to Malaysia and tried the McDonald's fish and chips. I think it's the same thing. But I thought theirs was bigger. Who knows? But very crunchy. It's actually quite nice tasting. It tastes pretty good actually. Really enjoying that. But it's not meant to be eaten on its own. It's meant to be eaten all together. So, let's give it a go. Oh yeah. Oh, that crunch. I'm getting a lot of garlic. That sweet chili sauce gives it a really nice flavour. I can barely taste any of the vegetables or anything on it. Oh. Actually, the chili sauce now has got a little bit of a kick to it. And it does taste a little bit spicy. The thing said it was mild, didn't it? Well, I guess it is mild for someone that likes chili, like the Asians. They're very into chili, so for Asians, this would be mild. If you were a whitey from Australia, then it might be not so mild. It might be a little bit more spicy, but it's pretty good. The bun's nice and soft. It's almost like broish-like, but not quite. Altogether, it's a pretty nice tasting burger. I love that crunch when you bite into it. It just makes it all that more dimensional. That's good. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Flavour-wise, I thought it was pretty good. The fish at first I thought was too hard and a bit too crunchy, but when it's mixed all together with the sauces to soften it and those veggies and the bun, it really just all suits each other. It's really nice, really nicely constructed and well put together. So flavour-wise, it was really good. The veggies are fresh, the piece of fish tastes good, tastes like chicken, but it tastes good. And the bun's fresh, so hey, I can't really fault that. Price-wise, $5.70. Well, I guess that's an okay sort of price. It sounds a little bit expensive to me for what you're getting, but hey, it's a fast food restaurant. What do you expect, Grego? It probably is the right price for it. So for all over value, all over price, all over taste, all over everything, McDonald's Singapore, for this fish burger, you're getting a 7.835 out of 10. So what's my recommendation? Mate, if you're in Singapore, whip on in for one of these fish burgers. They taste pretty good. They've got lots of flavour on them. The ingredients taste nice and fresh. It's almost healthy. Almost. And worth giving one a go.
Have you tried the fish burger from McDonald's whilst here in Singapore? What did you reckon about it? Did you like it? Did you think it's worth buying? Did you think it's worth sharing? If you have, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here for my next review on Greg's Kitchen. Catch you then. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.